Hello friends, Ashish Kyal here. Very warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा that is about how to go about trading Bitcoin. So I've been experimenting, looking at Bitcoins as a possible way because now options are also available on Bitcoin. और जहां पर options होता है वहां ट्रेड करने का मजा ही कुछ और होता है because of options on Bitcoin and given the volatility Bitcoin has, there are two things that is possible. Either you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. दोनों चीज पॉसिबल होती है क्योंकि अगर वोलेटिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा है और आप सही डायरेक्शन में हो तो अच्छा पैसा शॉर्ट टाइम में बन सकता है, लेकिन आपको काम करना है स्टॉप लॉस के साथ. It's very important. That's the first thing that I tell even to my mentees, that it is crucial that you trade whatever asset you are trading. You need to use stop loss. That is absolutely important. और बिटकॉइन का मूवमेंट अगर आप देखते होगे, इट इज क्रेजी. एट टाइम्स इट मूव्स अप बाय 10% in one single day, and even it comes down sharply by 5%, 10%. So बहुत शार्प वोलेटिलिटी है, बट जहां पर वोलेटिलिटी ज्यादा है अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी होती है. So I've been trying to play around with options, deploy a few strategies and see how it is working well. May it be option selling, may it be option buying, and I've been doing that, and it's working out very, very well. So I thought, why not to come across and share across my learnings from crypto. And the strategies are very simple, step by step, very simple. So I'm going to talk about one simple strategy, which is looking at Bollinger Bands and RSI for trading Bitcoin. And you can apply it on options chart, futures chart. I'm going to share across with you. And I'm telling you, बहुत simple है, लेकिन stop loss के साथ काम करना आप लोगों के लिए जरूरी है. So let me share across my screen now. I'm going to open up a screen here. If you can see that, this is Delta Exchange, and I found this platform extremely interesting. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं यहाँ पर, options है. That's the best part about it is कि you can trade in options of Bitcoin and Ethereum. दो options available है यहाँ पर. And the most important thing, see guys, I am a charting person. चार्ट के बिना मुझे कुछ समझ में आता नहीं है. जब तक प्राइस को प्लॉट करके ना देखूं पता ही नहीं चलता है क्या हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पर और सबसे अच्छी चीज है कि यू कैन सी द charts of options also. You can have option analytics, कहां पर OI buildup हो रहा है, कहां पर कम हो रहा है, and it gives you a lot of flavor. And the best part is that there are expiries which are every 2 days or every day. तो अगर आप वीकली ऑप्शन ट्रेड करते हैं निफ्टी पे और आपको वेट करना पड़ता है थर्सडे के लिए जब आप ट्रेड करेंगे वो वीक में, यहां पर अगर आप देखेंगे हर दिन एक्सपायरी है. सो वी हैव 15, 16, 21 एंड देन 28. सो देयर आर एक्सपायरीज दैट आर देयर अक्रॉस टाइम फ्रेम्स. वीकली भी है, बाई वीकली भी है. सो बहुत मजा आता है क्योंकि देन यू डोंट हैव लिमिटेड स्ट्रेटेजी. यू कैन डिप्लॉय लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस, इज व्हाट आई लव. एंड यहाँ पर व्हाट आई ऑल्सो लाइक द लॉट इज दैट फ्यूचर्स अगर आप देखेंगे, दिस आर बिटकॉइन परपेचुअल फ्यूचर्स, मतलब ये कभी एक्सपायर नहीं होते. एंड यू हैव सो मेनी कॉइन्स हियर विच यू कैन लुक एट इट. इट्स लाइक बिटकॉइन परपेचुअल, इथेरियम है, यू हैव XRP विच इज रिपल, यू हैव डॉज कॉइन्स हियर. डॉज कॉइन तो आई एम श्योर पता होगा आपको बिकॉज ऑफ इलॉन मस्क क्या हो रहा है. सो सभी चीजें. एंड करना क्या, अगर आपको देखना है भाई डॉज कॉइन के साथ हुआ क्या है, उस पर क्लिक करोगे एंड यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द डॉज कॉइन, स्टार्ट सीइंग द चार्ट हियर ऑन द टॉप, एंड यू कैन सिंपली गो एंड चेक, एंड इट इज फैंटास्टिक. देखो ना यहाँ पर आपको चार्ट आ गया. यू कैन सिंपली गो ऑन द डेली चार्ट एंड चेक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद द डॉज कॉइन. यू कैन सिंपली जूम आउट, सारा का सारा चार्ट कहां से कहां गया, वो क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू बाय दिस, और आई एम नॉट सेइंग आप सेल करो इसे. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज दैट इट इज अवेलेबल हियर इन अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्लासिकल फैशन. सो इस तरीके से आप देख सकते हो. यू कैन गो टू मार्केट्स. फिलहाल हम बिटकॉइन के ऊपर स्ट्रैटेजी की बात कर रहे थे तो उस पे चलते हैं. लेट मी गो टू बिटकॉइन and let us look at what kind of strategy we can form. So यहाँ watch list I have created and Bitcoin पे मैं क्लिक करता हूँ. एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द बिड आस्क विच इज हैपनिंग, व्हाट आर द प्राइसेस दैट इज ट्रेडेड. सो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटजी that we can deploy on Bitcoin over here is what I want to share across with you all. And दोस्तों ये तो मेरा टेस्ट पोर्टफोलियो है. I'm just trying to evaluate few things. I even bought Bitcoin when somewhere around it was at I think 28,400 levels. Now it has gone up sharply from there क्योंकि ये breakout आया था उस level पे. So if you look at if you know wave theory, you can use that. It works fantastic. So agar for people who are Elliott wave enthusiasts, for them I'm going to apply a wave theory also. Let me just show across to you क्या wave theory पे लग रहा है Bitcoin के ऊपर, and it is amazing. So this was this move that you see here. कहाँ गया मेरा pad? So the move that you see here was a classic. Just a second, let me connect my drawing pad. And superb clarity here. From here the move started on the upside. Looks like this was wave 1 done. यहाँ पर ABC में बहुत ही clearly इसने wave 2 complete किया, which was a superb 61.8% FIBO retracement of the entire rise. And यहाँ पर complete होने के बाद में ये third wave की शुरुआत हुई. ये third का 1 हुआ. This was wave 2 of third, and this is the third of the third wave. That's what I am looking at right now. Last time भी मैंने बात की थी बिटकॉइन के बारे में. मैंने कहा था कैसे अभी हमें इसे बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी देखनी है, and it is working simply fabulous. So if it is in third of the third wave, I would rather trade Bitcoin than trading any other asset where there is no such clarity. So it's not very often you find an impulse pattern in across stocks or so. And यहाँ पर बहुत superb, as per in fact neo wave के हिसाब से भी वो pattern दिख रहा है. But let me not deviate much. I want to use a simple technique for people who don't understand wave theory. उनके लिए मैं simple Bollinger Bands technique apply करूंगा. So I'm going to go up here, apply from the indicator. यहाँ पर अगर आप click करेंगे you will get an indicator. You can simply use this tool. Okay, I'm just checking why it's not loading. Just a second. हाँ, यहाँ पर आके आप इंडिकेटर पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बॉलिंगर बैंड्स. फिलहाल मैंने सुपर ट्रेंड डाल रखा है. यहाँ पर हम अप्लाई करेंगे बॉलिंगर बैंड. सो ऑल दी टूल्स दैट यू सी ऑन ट्रेडिंग व्यू is available also on this specific platform. So यहाँ पर सेटिंग से let's change the color so that it is visible for us. Let's not put it blue. We can simply try and put a little better, maybe white, or that can be much more visible. And let's put across this way. चलिए यहाँ पर I'm just randomly putting up a color here, and यहाँ पर भी let me put up a white color. साथ ही में ये आया हमारा बॉलिंगर बैंड्स. अभी सुपर ट्रेंड मुझे नहीं चाहिए फिलहाल, बिकॉज आई यूज इट फॉर माई ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू हाइड इट अक्रॉस, एंड इट इज दैट इजी. यू कैन सिंपली यूज सिंपली हाइड. बहुत कन्वीनियंट हो जाता है. करना क्या है, अभी डेली चार्ट पे अप्लाई नहीं करना है. डेली पे अगर आपको पोजिशनल ट्रेड लेना है तो आप कर सकते हैं. अभी देखिए स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है यहाँ पर. यू कैन क्लियरली सी ऑन द डेली टाइम फ्रेम देयर वाज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन द बैंड, which you can see here, the contraction in the band, and now the expansion with this breakout of the candle is what we are seeing. With this expansion, it looks like a big trend has again resumed on the upside. So in addition to my wave theory, I am also combining these techniques of confirmation. This is a very bigger time frame, but you can apply the same concept. अगर आप intraday trade करते हैं, आप positionally trade कर रहे हैं for 1-2 days, you can apply this same concept over here, and it works super. So let me just share it across to you. Once you see this, I'm going to zoom the chart where the breakout was happening, and the movement is very fast, guys. Remember that one thing. Bitcoin अपने आप में बहुत sharp move होता है. So you have to be careful, you need to be quick, you need to be fast. नहीं तो देखते देखते ट्रेंड इतना जल्दी रिवर्स हो जाता है, यू माइट नॉट इवन रियलाइज. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी फास्ट विद दैट. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे From here, this was the level where the first candle closed above the upper band. The next candle took out the high. So this is where you will create long positions. Okay, this is like how where you will create long positions by buying call options. Yeah, maybe futures, up to you, or selling put options. So 30,180 के आसपास में आपका लॉन्ग पोजिशन शायद आपने क्रिएट किया होता है, या आप कर सकते थे 30,180 at this point of time. Stop loss will be below the middle of the band where you can place a stop loss and continue to ride the trend with a trailing stop method या target. So आपका stop loss अगर इतना है, then you can take a target also of that much 1:1 पे partial profit book करो. Remaining you can place a stop loss of the prior candle low. So this way you will be able to trade extremely systematically and extremely well. So यहाँ पर हमें ब्रेकआउट मिला, कंफर्मेशन पे बाय किया, स्टॉप लॉस कैंडल या मिड का लो लगाया एंड 1:1 पे हाफ पोजीशन बुक की. रिमेनिंग पोजीशंस यू कैन सिंपली कीप ट्रेलिंग इट विद द मिड बैंड सपोर्ट. यहाँ पर मिड बैंड सपोर्ट इट हैज प्रोटेक्टेड, so you continue to trail it with a mid band support. That is how you can do it. And साथ में you can apply an indicator like RSI. You just have to be sure that when you are buying, it is not above that 75 level, because a 72 level, because we don't want it to be overbought. So you can simply use an indicator here, RSI, and apply that directly यहाँ पर. And once you apply this concept of RSI, you can see it on the chart. Okay, it's still loading. Once you see it on the chart, you just have to avoid buying when it is in that overbought zone. तो खाली आपको वो ध्यान रखना है कि अगर overbought है तो आप वहां पर avoid कर रहे buy करना. Okay, that is what you have to just simply understand clearly. So let me just check here if it's getting loaded, and these techniques that I am talking to you right now, it's not complicated. It is easy. You can do that simply and effectively, and it works fantastic. So ensure you are able to apply these techniques in a very, very simple way. And I'm just going to check why my system is not loading it so quickly. So यहाँ पर once you have done that, your trade setup is ready. तो देखना क्या है हमें? The first thing that we want to really look at it right now is whether the overall trend of the market is up or down. Trend ऊपर का है, then we need to ride the trend by looking at if the bands have contracted, expanding now, and giving a breakout. That is where we enter, and then we place a stop loss just near to that. I want to check also on RSI, it shouldn't be overbought. So for some reason there is a issue with the loading, but RSI was not overbought here. And then I continue to book half of my profit at the stop loss. तो मेरा अगर stop loss था 100 points का या 150 points का, जो भी उतने पे partial profit book किया, and remaining positions I will carry. You know, and you can simply do it from here. You know, the best part I liked about it is you don't really have to buy entire contract. यहाँ जाके आपको समझो खाली $1,000 आपने इधर लिखा. You don't have to even pay $1,000 because the leverage is 100 times on 10 times on the futures and 100 times on the options. So if you put $1,000 here, you just have to end up paying $100 as a margin, and you will be able to buy worth $1,000 of USDT of Bitcoin using USDT. Similarly, अगर आप options पे trade करें, you get a leverage of 100 times. तो पैसा कम चाहिए और यहाँ पर you can still be a part of the game. That's what I can tell you, and it is easy. So even if you go on the daily chart, you can do positional buying on that, and it works fantastic. So I've been exploring this platform. I've been exploring with small amount, just testing across and everything, and I'm really liking how it is functioning, how it is moving, and everything like that. So I thought, why not to share it across with all of you and explain you कि यार ये technique use करने से चलता है, and you can possibly try and evaluate it yourself. You can, if you want, the link is there in my description. You can simply use that link, and once you do that, you will be able to then create your own account, which is easy. Just don't trade. I will say trade mat karo. पहले समझो प्लेटफॉर्म को, understand how it is, how it works, and if it is for you, and ensure that whatever you are doing, it's your hard-earned money, it's your own money. Do not just risk it. I'm not asking you to buy or sell anything. This is purely from learning and educational perspective. I'm talking about this. I'm just sharing this knowledge across because I am exploring this way of trading options on Bitcoin, which I am very fascinated with, because I've been trading options for so many years, and I already keep teaching about options. And I was amazed when I saw that जो भी technique हम option trading using technical analysis program में that I've taught you can be applied here also. So the techniques is versatile, which can be applied in any of the asset, and it's much comfortable here. The reason being, we have multiple expiries, which we have weekly only here. That's one thing. Secondly, the leverage is really good. And the next is you can simply place your stop losses, evaluate your risk, and you can trade Bitcoins or Ethereum. You can even trade futures over there. And ensure that whatever you are trading, trade with a stop loss, have a clear-cut plan, clear-cut strategy, and then only enter the trade. Otherwise क्या होगा, आप लॉस करोगे, नुकसान होगा, फिर बोलोगे नहीं चलता है. ऐसा नहीं करना है. समझो सही तरीके से कैसे ट्रेड करना है और फिर ट्रेड करो. And if you are liking these videos, then do put your comment, guys. What more you want to see? I can get whatever my learnings I am having right now, I can share that across with you all. So do ensure that you do write your comments, like the video, share it across, and let me know what more you want to see, so I can form some strategies here, maybe option strategies. There is also option of payoff charts, which we can see, and accordingly form a trade. So देखिए वहां पर, and this is also linked directly to charting platforms. So वहां पर आपको option analytics भी मिलता है, and it's very interesting. So, and the market is open 24 hours. So those are the things I want to talk about. I'll come out with more such videos later on. Do ensure you are subscribing to the channel, and do not forget to give your comment, so if you're liking it. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal signing off.